recently took part in the 10 days video challenge. What was it about? How many subscribers did we gain? How many views did we gain? How many watch hours? And a lot more is going to be covered in today's video. So make sure you watch the video till the end. Hey guys, I'm Grenville De Cruz. I am the editor, photographer, videographer. Basically, I'm the guy who manages this YouTube channel. Mom, on the other hand, is a chef, seeing the previous videos. Before we move ahead, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. And once you have done it, comment down done. About 12 days ago, we started a challenge called the 10 Days Video Challenge, started by a YouTuber called Algro. This challenge, we had to upload 10 videos for 10 days straight, no stopping. And Algro promised us that we would gain increased subscribers and views and watch hours, etc. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how many subscribers did we gain, how many views, basically how much did our channel grow in these 10 days. Also, I'm going to be answering 5 questions Algro asked us to answer in his previous video. Now let's start with the questions.
1. What did you expect from this challenge?
We expected more response from our viewers, which we did get. We wanted to complete more watch hours and gain more subscribers too.
2. How many videos did you produce?
We made exactly 10 videos and uploaded at least 12 YouTube shorts during this challenge.
3. How tough or easy was your challenge?
It was very crucial for us as we were not used to shooting the video, then editing it and uploading the video on the same day. For the challenge, I used to take about a week to edit one single video. But getting used to this new routine was tough. But at last, all the hard work led to a great success for our YouTube channel.
4. What was the result of this challenge?
The result, as in how many views and subscribers we gained, as of now, I'm shooting this video, we are at 145 subscribers and our channel has reached 14,000 views. Before the challenge had begun, we were at 109 subscribers and around 5,000 views only. During this challenge, we gained more than 30 subscribers and 9,000 to 10,000 views. We also gained more than 40 watch hours during this challenge.
5th and last question. 3 takeaways from this challenge.
So the first takeaway is time management, of course. As I said before, I would take almost a week to edit one single video. But during this challenge, we came to know the importance of time management and we would shoot, edit and upload videos faster than before. The second takeaway of this challenge was editing. Yes, I use a software called Filmora for editing, which was really easy to use. It had such great easy to use features and I really got to learn and dive deep into this editing software. With their super easy features, I was really able to edit my videos faster and easier. Third takeaway was consistency. During the challenge, we were consistent. We learned to become consistent. We uploaded about 10 videos in 10 days, which was really new for us. We even got an amazing response because we were consistent during this 10-day video challenge. So these were the 5 questions that had to be answered and which I did. A big thank you to all the people who were supporting us during this entire 10 days video challenge, especially the viewers, our subscribers, and yeah, not forgetting new people who have subscribed to our channel. Most of them are outside our friend circle. We don't know these new subscribers, which is really great for us. So thank you all the new subscribers, our new viewers, and welcome to the Grenjo family. If you have reached till here, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe right now. And turn on the notifications so that you get notified about our new upcoming videos. Once you've done that, comment down done. We'll see you in the next video. Then stay home, stay safe,